We're just letting him right go, Luke. Show us you got him.
We'll just count him.
Oh, yeah, you got him.
One down.
You don't need to put him in a jar. We're talking to Ashton on the phone. Nope. Where's that fire or lightning bug fairy going? What's he doing, Rand? Where are they at? Oh, I see. Oh, that's back in the woods. Where'd they all go, Luke? The dang moon's done went away. Where's it at?
Dang. No, it's behind the trees.
Oh, there it is. Oh, yeah. I didn't think the clouds was covering it up. I don't see no more. They must be scared you're going to catch them all. Bring him here.
Two.
See what you got here. Oh, yeah. You got him.
There he is.
The birds are eating.